If anything, just chat with me. Now, 11th one, Mr. Sreen, who purchased a machine on 1st January 2007 for 5 lakhs, paid freight and insurance installation altogether. The machinery stood 6 lakhs because 5 lakhs is the machine value, freight is 50,000 and installation is 50. So total together is 6 lakhs. He purchased another machinery on 1st July 2007. Again in the 2007 itself, he went for purchasing second machinery. On July 1st, 2009, he sold half of the first machinery. He only said half of the first machinery for rupees 1 lakh 90 and purchased another machinery for 1 lakh. So on 2009 July, he sold half of the machinery of first and then he purchased one more machinery of 1 lakh. The depreciation is provided by him at 25% per annum on straight line method. Assume that books are closed every year on 31st December. So when we are going to close the books now, every year 31st December. So first, as usual, what we'll do, first we go for preparing a table so that we'll have an idea. So first year, 1st January, my first year is 2007 to 31st December 2007. So in this year, what we went for? Purchased how many machineries?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, first machinery, second machinery. Then 2008 to 31st December 2008. Do we went for any kind of adjustments here?
No, ma'am.
So nil. Then 2009 to 31st December 2009. Yes, Lakshmi, nobody is going to write anything on the screen or else I will lose the access of writing anything. Now, do we have any adjustments here in 2009? Yes, 2009 we sold what? First we sold, half we sold, no? And then in that place again what we brought? Third machinery we brought it. So that's
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Adjustments were done only for that's it. Then onwards, we don't have any adjustment, but still he asked extra to prepare 2 more years. So that is what we are going to do it. So here also it is nil. Again, 1 January 2011, 31st December 2011, we don't have any adjustment, but simply he asked extra to prepare 2 years. It's okay. Yeah, 11th one. Most of the students are not getting, so 11th one I'm doing. Instead, you people are going to do 13th as your homework. 13th is exactly like a 10th problem. So there, 10th problem, we have done 10 trucks. In the 13th, we have 5 trucks. That's it. Now my table is prepared, done. So we'll go for posting the accounts. Now here I'm going to go. So first year, how many assets we purchased, Emma, in 2007?
2 assets.
Ma'am. The first machinery we purchased as on, yeah, right. First machinery we purchased exactly on a first day itself. So what we are going to write? To bank machinery.
Jan 1st to bank machinery 1.
Machinery 1. 6 lakhs.
6 lakhs.
Second machinery we purchased on July 1st. No?
To bank machine 2.
So how much? 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
See the table. Apart from 2 assets purchased, did we go for any other things? No.
No.
We can
No, ma'am.
Yeah, we can close that year, no? But before closing, what will calculate?
Yes, ma'am. Depreciation.
Depreciation.
Yeah, we will calculate a depreciation. Maharika, surround,
Depreciation.
make sure that there is a very less disturbance, or else you just go for mute and send me the messages. There's a disturbance,
Okay.
Maharika. As I said, I'm recording the class, so better I will not have any disturbance. So 31st December we are going to. Now what is the asset first asset? How many months we use? We have to calculate no. So first by depreciation, machine 1 I'm going to calculate. And what is the value? Machine value 6 lakhs into how much is the percentage?
6 lakhs, ma'am.
5% into when did we purchase first asset, ma? How many months we used it? We purchased on 1st January and we are using till 31st December. So how many months total?
12 months.
12 out of 12.
12 months, ma'am.
Yeah. So how much it will be now? 6 lakhs lo 4 parts. 25% means 4 parts, no? So how much it will be now? 1 lakh 50,000.
50,000. 1,50,000.
Then by depreciation on machine number 2, how much is the value of machine number 2? 2 lakhs.
2
And
lakhs,
what
ma'am.
is the
2
percentage?
lakhs.
As it is 25%. And how many months we use? When did we purchase the second machinery? Just see the date. First
July, ma'am.
Yeah, 1st July. July to December, how many months?
6 months.
6 months. So 6 divided by
6
12.
months.
6 divided by 12. So 6 divided by 12 means how many months? So surrounding, make
25,000.
sure that if there is sound, you just
25,000, ma'am.
So we can close this one. Hmm. 8 lakhs minus 1 lakh 75. Ento sundana. 8 lakhs minus 1 lakh 75.
6 lakhs 25,000.
Yeah, right. 6 lakhs 25,000. So first year we are done. Now I'll just round it off. We'll draw the lines and we'll close it. This is the first year. This is the second year. Now here in 2008, please go back to the table. Just see, do we have in 2008 any kind of adjustments? Just see the table.
No, ma'am.
We don't have any adjustments. So what we'll do, to balance brought down directly, we are going to take 6 lakhs 25,000. And as we don't have any adjustments, simply what we are going to calculate again?
Depreciation.
Yeah, we are going to calculate a depreciation. Now, how many assets do I have?
2
Two
assets.
assets. So I'll write twice as my depreciation. So by depreciation on machine 1. Now, usually I say in the first year, it doesn't matter what is the method we are following. The main thing is how many months we have used. But as we are in the second year, now it is a question which method we are following. Is it straight line or a diminishing?
Straight line method.
Straight line.
Straight line method, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Straight line means for me the original value is important or a reduced value.
Original value.
Right. So for a first machinery, what is the original value? Bank side to
6 lakhs.
6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs on the 6 lakhs. 25% means how much you are going to get it, ma?
1,50,000, ma'am.
Yeah.
1,50,000.
You are going to get it. Right. Now second one. By
2 lakhs,
depreciation.
ma'am.
Yeah, on 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, 25% means how much?
25,000.
50,000.
Sorry, 50,000.
So therefore, by balance, how much? 1 lakh 50, 2 lakhs kada. 6 lakhs 25 నుంచి 2 lakhs తీసేస్తే ఎంత?
4,25,000. 4,25,000.
That's it. So I'm drawing the lines now. Now here, as I have come here, again I'll check out, do I have any adjustments in 2009? So just see the table, ma.
We have purchased third machine, ma'am.
Third machinery purchase చేసే కంటే ముందు Third machinery konnam.
Half of the amount.
Half of the asset we sold, right? Yeah, half of
Yes,
the asset.
ma'am.
So what we are
Yes.
going to do it, as we have an adjustment, so what I'm going to do is, better I go for preparing the tables here, because working notes is equally important, I said no. So now I'm talking about a machine number 1, which I purchased on 1st January 2007 for the value called 6 lakhs. The depreciation first year we took off how much? 1 lakh 50. So for
50,000.
2008 it stood how much? 4 lakhs 50,000.
50,000.
Depreciation I took in the
4
second.
lakhs 25,000.
So as on 1st January 2009, the value is now 3.
3 lakhs.
Now my
3
machinery
lakhs.
2 also is there, no? So that's why I'm talking about a machinery 2 also. So machinery 2 was purchased on 1st July for the value of 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
And when we
2
calculated
lakhs.
depreciation in the first year, it was only 25,000.
25,000.
And as on 1st
25,000, ma'am.
January 2008, it stood around 1 lakh 75,000.
75,000.
Again, in this year, we took a full year depreciation. So we got how much?
50,000.
50,000.
50,000.
So therefore, as on 1st
50,000.
January 2009, it is 1 lakh.
1 lakh 25,000.
That's it. So better I go for drawing a lines. It makes easy. So it is first year, second year. Until now, we have prepared for 2 years. So here also it is first year, which is for 6 months, and then it is for 12 months. I'm done. Now in this year, I'll go and check the table, whatever I have written on the right side. So what it says that in 2009, the first machinery was sold, not fully, half of the machinery was sold, and third machinery was brought. So first he was talking about what? Sale of half machinery. So first machinery was sold,
half
but he
machinery.
sold only half machinery. So alantappudu I have to divide the things, no? So I have to, because I want to know profit or a loss, it is must that I should know calculate only of the half information. So that's why these total information I am calculating into what? Half. సో హాఫ్ అంటే 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నట్టు. సో ఒక పార్ట్ ఇది, మరో పార్ట్ the asset still which is existing. ఓకే డన్. సో సింపుల్గా హాఫ్ అని అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇంకా ఈజీ కదా నాన్న. సో ఒక్కసారి హాఫ్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో 3 lakhs లో హాఫ్ అంటే ఎంత?
1 lakh
6 lakhs లో హాఫ్ ఎంత? 6 lakhs లో హాఫ్ ఎంత?
3 lakhs, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ డెప్రిసియేషన్ 1,50,000 లో హాఫ్ ఎంత?
75,000. 75,000, ma'am.
దెన్ 4,50,000 లో హాఫ్ ఎంత?
2,25,000.
రైట్. అండ్ మళ్ళీ 1,50,000 లో హాఫ్ ఎంత?
75,000.
సో 75,000. 3 lakhs లో హాఫ్ ఎంత?
1,50,000.
1,50,000. సో ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్. సో ఒకసారి ఎలాగో హాఫ్ డివైడ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి మరో హాఫ్ కూడా డివైడ్ చేసేస్తే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది కదా. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ 1st January 2007. అన్ని హాఫ్ సేమ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పారో అన్ని అవే చెప్పాలి నాన్న, బికాస్ హాఫ్ కదా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా హాఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Depreciation again it is 25,000. సో 1st January 2009 వచ్చేసరికి ఇది ఎంత అయింది? 1,50,000. ఓకే డన్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ గా డివైడ్ చేసేసాం. సో హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ గా డివైడ్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత నాన్న, is it the above information is important for me? Because half I have completed division. Now is this important for me? No na. So that's why I'm going to put a cross mark here because ఇది నాకు అవసరం లేదు ఇంకా. Okay, now we are selling 1/2 of the machinery. So usually ఈ 1/2 నేను ఇదే అనుకుంటున్నాను. And when we sold in 2009. So ఎప్పుడైతే 2009 కి సేల్ చేశానో, now I'm going to go for rounding off this amount. So I'm going to go for what? Rounding. అంటే ఈ 1,50,000 ని నేను ప్రాపర్ సెగ్రిగేషన్ చేయాలన్నమాట ఇప్పుడు. Now these 1,50,000 is as on 1st January 2009. Is it we sold on the same day ma or some other day? Just check it up. When did we sold the asset?
July 1st, 2009.
We sold on July 1st, 2009.
First
So how many months I used it now?
month.
6 months. When I
6
use
months, ma'am.
6 months, I have to calculate first what?
Depreciation.
So depreciation.
Depreciation.
So by depreciation, machine number 1 for half, అంతే కదా, హాఫ్ పార్టే కదా మనం ఇప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్? 6 months. సో అప్పుడు అది ఎంత
6
అవుతుంది?
months, ma'am.
అవుతుంది
37,500.
యా రైట్. సో
37,500.
యా రైట్. సో 3 lakhs మీద into 25% into 6 divided by 12 చేస్తే how much you will get? 37,500. So this is our first segregation. So what we are going to write here, this is our depreciation and this is 37,500 and I call this is my first segregation. So how much is as on 2009, July 2009 అని అంటే July 2009 కి వాల్యూ ఎంత మిగిలింది నాన్న? 1,50,000లో 37 తీసేస్తే మీకు వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1,12,500 వస్తుంది. సో నేను ఇంతకు అమ్మాను. ఒక్కసారి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చూడండి నాన్న. వి సోల్డ్ ఫర్ హౌ మచ్ నౌ?
1,90,000.
1,90,000 we sold. Is it a good or a bad amount?
Good amount, ma'am.
So this good amount we are going to call it as what? Profit. So how much is
Profit.
the profit? How much is the profit? Balancing figure.
77,500.
Right. 77,500 and this I call it as my third segregation. So whatever the 150 I have got it, now I have divided into one depreciation, one sale amount and one profit amount. Now I have to post all these things into my books of accounts, no? So already depreciation manam rasesamu. Now the thing is I'm going to write about a sales. So what we are going to write when we are talking about a sales, I'm going to write as by bank sale. So how much we sold for? 1,90,000. So usually
90,000.
వైపు రాస్తాము. But did we get loss or a profit? We got loss or a profit, ma?
Profit.
That's the reason.
Profit, ma'am.
Yeah, right. That's the reason I'm going to write here as to where will transfer to P&L
Account.
profit. So how much we got a profit? 77,000.
1,92,500.
I'm done. సో వాడు ఏదైతే అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ లో టేబుల్ లో ఫస్ట్ మెషినరీ సోల్డ్ అన్నాడో అది మనం చేసేసాం. సో చేసేసిన తర్వాత నాకు ఇది ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు కదా, ఇంకా ఇది వేస్ట్ కదా. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ అ క్రాస్ మార్క్ హియర్. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్? నౌ ప్లీజ్ గో బ్యాక్ అగైన్ టు ద టేబుల్ అండ్ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. డు వీ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ అదర్ థింగ్స్?
Yes, ma'am. Machine.
What we have done?
Machine number.
Machine number?
Purchase.
Third we purchase. So when we purchase, what we'll write now?
To bank.
We'll write as to bank. So here we purchased on July 1st kabatti we are going to write as to bank. This is my machine
Bank.
number 3.
Machine 3.
What is the value? 1 lakh. Now
1 lakh.
go and check it out the table. Total ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తాను నేను. ఫస్ట్ అది కూడా రాసేస్తాం మనం. We purchased what? Machine number 3 and when we purchased July 7th and what is the value? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
నా ఇంకా అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఏవైతే చెప్పాడో అవన్నీ రాసేసాం కదా, మరి క్లోజ్ చేసేయచ్చు కదా మనం బుక్స్. మరి క్లోజ్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? లాస్ట్ డే
Depreciation.
టు బై డెప్రిసియేషన్. నౌ హౌ మెనీ అసెట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, యూ టెల్ మీ.
Only one asset, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకటే అసెట్ ఉందా మన దగ్గర క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి?
లేదు ma'am.
ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
3 assets. Two assets.
So not even 2 రే, 3 assets. How all?
3
This
assets,
is one half మిగిలింది కదా, దీన్ని మనం అమ్మలేదు కదా, అంటే still we are using this one. So I have to calculate depreciation on this one. Then this is the second one, we didn't even touch this one. So this is also one wherein I have to calculate depreciation. And this is a new machinery. So how many are left over now? 3 machineries. So 3 machineries. First one. First one, you tell me, ma. As usual, original value means how much you are going to get it? 3 lakhs. On the 3 lakhs, 25% means how much? As it is 75,000, right?
Yes.
So balance also will be what? 75,000 only. Then this one, depreciation, how much it will be? Original value 2 lakhs with a 25% and enta 50,000. So it will be how much now?
50,000.
Yeah, it will be 75,000 balance. Now this one, it will be how much? Depreciation calculate cheste you are going to get 12,500. After this minusing cheskunte you are going to get some 82,500. 87 or 5? Sorry, 87. Sorry. 87. That I'll show how these all you have got it. So this here, until here it is clear, isn't it? This is old machines, we didn't touch it, so that's why they have been taken directly on the original value. Now how I calculated, I'm showing here. So the first one, this is on the machine 1. So machine 1, 3 lakhs was the amount. So 3 lakhs made the 75,000. This is what we got. And after that we have got is what? We got by depreciation on machine number 2. Again, original value 2 lakhs low, direct 25% cheste 50% adjustment. And the last one, by depreciation machine number 3. How I got is 1 lakh into 25% into how many months we used it? July we purchased. July to December, how many months?
6 months.
So 6 divided by 12. That's how I got the answer 12,000. Ma 1 lakh 5% ante you'll get 25,000 only, ma. Andulo malli half ante how much you'll get it? Definitely it is 12,500 only, no? So by balance carry down chepali enta? 75,
2,37,500.
2,37,500.
1,500.
So I have drawn the lines now. Now, come on to the next year. 2010. Do we have any adjustment in this year?
No.
So from now
No, ma'am.
we don't have any adjustment.
No, ma'am.
Only we have to calculate what? Only the depreciation. Now, in the first year, from here I'm coming. 3 assets are there, no? So depreciation. Again, original value 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs mida malli 25% means how much you will get?
75,000.
75,000, ma'am.
And this will be nil as it is. On this 2 lakhs mida percentage enta nana? 50,000 you will get it. So
50,000.
balance you are going to get 25.
50,000.
Sorry, balance you are going to get 25,000. And this depreciation, original 1 lakh mida 25% and you will get 25,000. That's it. Let me draw the lines. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this became nil. This we have got 25,000 still, and here we have got how much? I didn't minus it, no. So how much I'm getting it balance of
500, ma'am.
62,500. Now shall we post all these things here? So this is 2010 31st December as by depreciation on machine 1 is how much? 75,000. Again, by depreciation on machine 2, how
Machine
much you
2.
got? 50,000.
25,000.
Balance చెప్తున్నా నాకు depreciation చెప్పాలి.
25,000.
Right. So balance will be left over how much more? Balance carry down by
87,500.
carry down is equal to 87,500.
And
Done. So here I'm going to close. Now again we have one more year to prepare. Actually గా అయిపోయింది అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోయినాయి. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా he's asking us to prepare 2 more years extra though there is no adjustment. So that's why we are going for preparation of this one. So ఇక్కడ ఇది అయిపోయింది కదా. So ఇది of no use. Now we are only left over with how many? 2. So అది కూడా ఎలా రాస్తాము చూడండి అన్న. So now I'm into 2011 which where he asked me to close my books. 2011 January 1st. So we are going to write to balance brought down. It is how much? 87,500. Now we don't have any adjustments, so simply we have to close the books. So 2011 31st December.
By depreciation.
So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తానంటే by bank. I'll write like this. What I'm going to write? By bank salary 25,000. And then here I'm going to write as by depreciation on machine number 3. That is 25,000. So అలా నేను తీసేస్తే నాకు 25 50 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు నాకు బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ డౌన్ ఐ గెట్ యాజ్ 37,500. How it is? I'll tell you. See here. Just see here. Every year, this depreciation, whatever we are going to calculate in the second machinery, the actual value is how much more? 2 lakhs kada. 2 lakhs మీద 25% చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది మీకు?
50,000.
50,000 కదా.
50,000,
బట్
ma'am.
మనకి మిగిలిందే 25,000 కదా. How you are going to calculate the depreciation? కదా. సో కరెక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం కాదు కదా అది. అంటే the capacity is also not there to use the machinery. So how you are going to use when it cannot produce anything అన్నప్పుడు still will you use that machinery? No. So that's why we treat this
No.
one as a salvage. అంటే scrap value లాగా తీసేసుకుంటాం. తీసేసుకొని we'll just close it. We can't take it as a depreciation. Depreciation అనేది ఒక మెథడ్ ఉంటుంది. That only we are supposed to take. But as it is not, we cannot take it. So I am taking as a salvage value. Okay, understood, ma? Everything సింపుల్ గా సాల్వేజ్ అని డిప్రిసియేషన్ అని రాసి ఎండ్ చేసేవాళ్ళం.
ma'am.
ఎండ్ చేయడానికి లేదు బికాస్ వెన్ ద అసెట్ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ కెపాసిటీ హౌ కమ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ ది అసెట్ టు ద ఫుల్లెస్ట్ కెపాసిటీ. సో అందుకే మన ఆ అసెట్ పనికి రాదు అని తెలుసు కాబట్టి సింపుల్ గా దాన్ని మనం సాల్వేజ్ అని అమ్మేసినట్టు చూపించడం అనమాట. వేర్ ఇస్ మై కర్సర్? So this is done. So simply what we are going to do in the 2011 we are over. So in 2012 we'll write as to balance brought down 37,500. That's it. Okay, understood? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we doesn't have anything,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
cannot take it. Simply we'll
Yes,
write
ma'am.
అంటే అది దాని కెపాసిటీ లేదు, వాడే అంత కెపాసిటీ లేదు. That is the reason we go for writing as a salvage. Means a salvage is nothing but a scrap value. Okay, done? Okay,
नहीं नहीं जात में भी
Okay, ma'am.
take down a screenshots, then I'll end the class. Let me take attendance, then 1 second, let me stop recording.